Every year, billions of tires are discarded, creating mountains of waste that scar the landscape.
The cleaning process begins with rotating drums removing debris, followed by high-pressure washing systems to explore.
The viscosity reading is holding steady.
And the temperature is optimal. Process approved.
Viscosity is stable.
Excellent. The elasticity checks also confirm durability.
Keep it coming straight back. Hold it right there, watch the edge.